I don't know whether I ought to be doing this today or not. I got old 1020 drug out. I should be over to Sydney to walk off antique club. Go doing Alice Chalmers over there this year. And I should have hauled over maybe half a dozen Alice Chalmerses. I got some kind of semi-rarities. And 40 or 50 is just ordinaries like everybody else has got. Yeah, I don't know. See what I got there on the forks? Got a ball hitch and a disc spacer there. I'm going to try to pull the old 20 around. Let's see if I can make it work and hold the camera too. Now what am I going to do? I've got to push the 20 up there under the roof, there by the tools. Put the D17 sitting back there, the flat tire. Case is sitting there. Truck's sitting over there. Yeah, I guess I'll start the case 430. Get it out of that driveway. Back the truck up. Then I'll run the skid loader all the way around and get behind that thing and shove it in over there. Alright, I'll get to it. Yeah, we'll see where the case starts. It should. Yeah, look at that mess I brought home yesterday. An old worn out, I think about 24 foot, maybe 20 or 24 foot International Vibra-Shank field cultivator I bought down there at the sale. I don't know, it's got a lot of scrap iron. I suppose good pieces if anybody wanted good pieces. It's got 4 or 5 hydraulic cylinders and got 5 good wagon tires. Should have 6, but it's only got 5 good ones. Alright, hey doggy, come on. Well, I've got to move the truck, get that thing done. Alright, that's enough for now. Can't move the truck without the doggy helping. All ready to go. You have your seatbelt on to run the hydraulics. Oh yeah, put something on in them forks works pretty good for pushing a tractor around too. Pulling or pushing. And I got in there far enough that I can work on the engine without being out in the rain or the severe rain. I was going to put some air in that tire, but the valve stem's bad and I'm going to have to get a new thing for the valve stem. Other than that, well, I guess the fun begins. But I know on this one, I'll check to see whether the timing gears are rusted, stuck or not before I do anything else. Alright, that's enough. That's what I've done today. Oh, give me some likes and comments and subscribe and all that good stuff for YouTube. And I might even go down to the tractor show down in Sydney Saturday and do a tractor show video. Okay, that's all enough for now.